Downing Bike Revive Tumut here. Well, just a week or so ago I had all these benches built, so it's all a little incomplete at this point. That is, I need to have more tooling hung and put away, which I have lots of tooling. However, the general features are I've got the truing stand, which gives me a proper location to meticulously turn spokes and make wheels nice and straight. I have good stocks of spokes. We've got tooling that is not hanging on the tool boards yet, but in due course we'll have lots of nice tools all put away. Over here we've got the wash trough, which I'm very attached to. The wash trough is one of my fundamental features of how I operate. That is, every single bike I work on must be clean before I start tuning and adjusting. So I'm very thorough about the cleaning work that I do, so I've created a work space here which has hot and cold running water. We've got compressed air, which we've got the engine bay washer, the duster, and of course we've got a couple of sinks. Got the official centrifuge here so that I can make things go all nice and dry when they're sopping wet. We've got all the little micro fitments, little end caps and so on. We've got tooling scattered about, which is not how I like to operate, but in due course there'll be tool drawers all under here. And I have the all essential proper work stand so that you can operate on bikes soundly and do such actions. And that's how I roll. It's at 177 Kappa Street, so come check me out. Welcome to Bike Revive. This is the old Franklin General Store and I've done some really good things with it. I've created a bike gallery. What you're seeing here is my personal collection of machines that I ride. However, I do have some interesting bikes that you might like to come and have a look at. So, Surly Bikes. Surly is the brand name that I would like to be selling thereof. Brand name Surly. And through the store, we have the meeting place, if you like, where I'm inviting people to come and have a good time for a long time. Which is why you see the big smiley face on the roof, which you may have noticed. So over here we've got pretty much your standard issue old heap. It was tip waste. It was on the tip face. I took it from the tip face and I saved it from becoming rubbish and getting ploughed in, and I've restored it and turned it into a really good working town bike. This is what I would like to see people coming to me with wreckages and allowing me to restore them into good working machines. That's one of my key goals. So over here we've got e-bike. Well, I'm leaving these up to the mainstream to sell. I do fix them. I like to fix bicycles ranging from your basic town bike right through to performance bicycles such as this one. Over here we have, well, we've got my plus bikes. Plus bikes are the bikes with the extra big tyre. These are my personal bikes that I've collected and value a lot because I love the way they ride. This particular one here, which has got all the mudguards and bags and things on it, is a machine that I did a very long ride on back in 2019. I pedalled to far north Queensland and then back again. And that is an adventure ride, camping most of the way. We have over here we have a customer's bike. This particular bicycle was a wreck. It was a heap. It was off the sidewalk, off the footpath. Somebody had disposed of it. The person took it, we restored it. I saved it from becoming waste. It's now got very, very smooth drive chain. I put single speed gearing on it. Over here we have the same owner's tourer. Very, very comfortable riding position. This is a machine that I've turned from being components laying about into a good working machine. This is a sample of the work I do. So that is a basic summary, so please come in and check me out. Hey Tumut, Ian Downing Bike Revive here. I've got the shop front. So when you arrive, do walk on through the door. However, when it comes to bringing your bicycle to me, bike entry via the side door. That is, come on round with your bike, round the side. Don't hold back, just come on right on through. And I want you to come on up to my door, ring the doorbell, and I'll appear. I'll come on to the door and greet you with a smile, because that's how it all goes here. And I'll take care of all of your needs so that you end up having a bike that simply works and works great without costing a ton of money.